Okay, so I showed the Punnett squares in the first part. Um, so I'll just go over, guess there was an audio issue, so I'll just go over a few things again. Basically, each parent has a 50% chance of passing on each gene. We've got 2 copies of each, so you can only pass on one. So it's going to be 50% chance of each one getting it, and you've got to combine these probabilities if you want to figure out what the offspring would look like possibly, or what the chances of getting a certain trait. This could work for a genetic disorder as well, the chances of getting a certain disorder. Or you could just drop the genotypes into the Punnett square. You can pull them down, you can pull them across, and it can help you calculate the probabilities by just counting the boxes. So I just dropped their genotypes and phenotypes in here from yesterday. I had to use the Minion 1 and Minion 2 genotypes from yesterday and calculate the percentages of each. And you can watch that video to see me filling these out. Okay. And then the second thing I did was mix the parent alleles, right? So you'll need Minion 1 and Minion 2, which are right here. Okay. And every time you flip a coin, you're going to flip a coin once for each parent. So for Minion 1, I'll flip 1 coin, and that would determine which allele does the parent pass on, okay? Because it's a 50% chance, that's why a coin is perfect for this. So I went ahead and did this already. How did I know which allele to give? So for instance, you could see here, parent 2, this minion has a big and a small t, so we're not sure which one it will pass on. When I flipped the coin, I got tails, so I knew to choose the second one. That's how I knew which one to choose, okay? Now, if they have the same alleles, here they've got a biggie, 2 biggies, 2 smallies, well, that parent will only be able to give, right? If it's got 2 of the same, it's always going to give the same one. So that's another trick you can use. So the coin flip can help you here determine, that's where I got these alleles. Okay, let's look at an example like eye color. Okay, for parent 1, I flipped tails, so that's why I circled the second one. And parent 2 has brown eyes, so 2 big B's, and I even flipped and got heads. Although it doesn't matter, it'd be a big B either way. So as you fill this out, you're going to get the genotypes of the offspring baby minion. You'll figure out what the phenotypes are by just looking at that chart above. Okay. So today you guys should show me the 7 Punnett squares you filled out. They probably will look different than mine because your parents will have different genotypes than mine. You're going to draw the minion offspring. How do you know what the minion will look like? Well, you mix the parent genes and you got the new genotypes. So you got the new phenotypes of the offspring. So what I'll do right now is just draw this minion down below here. Okay. Again, today you got to show me those Punnett squares. You've got to show me the genotype and phenotype of the baby, and give me a quick drawing of it. And that's your assignment for today. So thanks, guys.